Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Squad. My name is Anuj Kumar, Jira Administrative Trainer. Today this is the Jira Admin Training Session 10. Today we will see about the conference. What is conference? How to integrate a conference in your Jira software. So basically, first let us understand what is conference. The conference is the for team collaboration and documentation tool. Basically, what happened? A conference is a third-party app which we use in the Jira software for the documentation purpose. And we create a documentation inside the conference and share with respective team members or share uh, the URL link to respective user story. If somebody want to read more about the user story, he can access those documentation. So Confluence is a collaboration tool that team use to create, store, and share the content such as meeting notes, project plan, design, documentation, and knowledge base. Means basically, team members will basically do the documentation, create if we know in Scrum there are different types of meeting like sprint planning, daily stand-up meeting, review, and retrospective. So those documentation we will write inside the conference. Then we can write about the project plan, design, documentation, everything will be written inside the conference and it will be shared to respective team members so that anyone can access the Confluence and do the editing or can read and understand what is the thing. The use of Confluence is a project documentation. First is used for project documentation. We store all the project related documentation in the structured format. Then meeting notes keep the record of the decision and action item is whatever you meeting discussion and action item you can write in the form of meeting note inside the conference. Then retrospective is a scrum meeting that documentation you will write inside the conference. Team onboarding meeting, this thing basically the HR basically the software used by many department IT finance everything. Now for team onboarding exit every documentation can be created by HR in the conference. And knowledge base like build the internal or FAQ for the support team and client. All the things will be like you are under the project and you have prepared a documentation. You can share the data documentation to respective stakeholder or client. Okay. What are the feature inside the conference? So basically, conference have the page and space. So first we will create the space. Then inside that space we will create the page. Okay. So page are individual documentation and space are what is space? The space are the collections of the page. Okay. First we will create any space. Then inside space we will create the page. Okay. Now templates. Like we have the different types of meeting. There are some predefined template for means you have the sprint planning meeting. You want to create documentation. So there is a sprint planning meeting documentation. Retrospective document templates are there. You can just use that template inside your project. Okay. Templates are pre-built format for meeting notes, product requirement, and retrospective. Real-time collaboration. And multiple user can edit the page simultaneously in the conference. Okay. Permissions. You can control who can view or edit the page and add the spaces inside the conference. The comment and inline in and feedback means in this conference page in bottom side you can see the comment and you can comment there and give the feedback. Then version history is there. Hence you can who have done up when somebody edits in the conference. Okay, like in the story, we when we go to the history, we can see all of the history who have done what. Okay, the same thing we can see in the conference history also. Then integration with the Jira, link the Jira issue or reports at progress with the documentation. Okay, means when you create any page, you can link that page URL with respective issue type, story and bug, and it can be accessed easily. So these are the few things. Now jumping into the our Jira. So this is basically a Jira. Okay. Now from where you can go to Confluence. You can see this. Which click here. You can see home, Jira, administrator. Okay. So what happened in folder version? If I will go and click here. In older version, you can see your work, project, filter, dashboard, team, apps, front here. Okay. And here are the respective planning boards summary. Okay. But in new version, you can see uh, The the top bar is not here. Okay, you can they are basically it is this side. Share apps more plan. Okay, and the left side bar summary timeline is here. Okay, so this is the difference. Now click on the here. You can see from this new version, you can go to administration from here. Now I am talking about Confluence. So click on the Confluence. After clicking on the Confluence, let it be try now. After clicking on try now, let it will take few seconds to upload the things. It will take few seconds to upload the. Now, now this page has pop up. Now what? Click on the. These are different pages, whiteboard, dashboard. Just click on the next. Uh, from here, you can invite the respective teammates or just click on next. This is 30-day free trial. Get started. Now, now you can see the Confluence page is open in front of you. Click on more, more team default. So, so let me first, and this is for you. Recent what the things has been done. You can see from here. Nothing has started. Space. Go here. Create one space. Create a space. So space name is particular project. This is project one. Next, create space. Okay, the project one space has been created for. Now you have seen how to create the spaces. Now this is project one. Basically, this is the description. You can edit the description. Okay, this is a project tracker. So if this is the predefined template, okay, this is a predefined template which has come. Now you can edit this predefined template from here, from here. This you can click to the dashboard, click here and edit. Now click here. Now you can edit the thing. Remove this. Okay. In this way, you can edit the thing. This is project recent updated content template meeting load template description contribution. Okay. So what you can do? Spaces description. You want to write my first first documentation. Okay. So and then after doing this, you can click on the update. Now after updated, it can be visible to the everyone. Without a update, it will be not be visible to anyone. Okay. This you can see here. You can copy the link and you can paste the link in the story URL or description. Now share, open, next, done. This is restricted because we are in free trial. If you are paid, then you can make it as a log. Okay. If after you have make it a log, then it cannot be accessed by anyone except you. You can share this space from here. Okay. Start this space. Now, and this is the link basically. Copy the link and share. Now what we will do, this is the shortcut. Okay. This is the content basically. Click on the shortcut and you can search for the any pages from here. Now this is the content basically. This is content. Click on this. create the page inside project. This is a shortcut. This is a content. So inside content, click on this plus icon, you click on the page. If you want to create a whiteboard, click on the whiteboard. If you want to work with database, smart link, okay, folder. I want to create a page. After creating a page, uh, this is okay. This is currently untitled. The page name is sprint one. I have entered the sprint one. Okay. Publish. After publishing, it will be visible to the all the respective members. Publish. Now, after publishing, sprint one publish. Let it be. It will take few seconds after publishing. Oh, now it has been published and the name has been changed. Okay. Now we would find looking for so it is a software development world. I have created a sprint one. Okay, sprint one. Go to here, edit this page. So after editing this page, what you can do from here, you can add the table. And, add the table, and you can write sprint one. That is a story. Then double SIG assign and STOR story point. In this way, you can write a documentation like a story. One is an assign is some person like Anuj. This is story two. Assign is a some person. And story point. In this way, you will create the documentation. Okay. And you click on here, insert a chart. You can insert a chart from here. Okay. Now what we will do? We have done with this too. Now click on emoji. You can select the emoji, add the emojis. That is sprint one. Status, in progress, like in progress. So this status is currently in progress. So everyone can see this is currently the work is in progress. Header image, you want to add some type of image, click here, and the respective image you can see from here. Okay. So these are the general way of editing the things applied a page. Okay. Now what I want to tell you. Okay. Now I want to create a page inside the sprint one. Then click here, create a page that is sprint board. Yeah, map. Sprint road map. Okay. Now one on meeting 4 years retrospective 5 hours. These are predefined template. Okay. If one meeting I click, you can see these are the predefined template: date, time, participant, location, meeting type, material, then goals and progress. Eh, These are the different types of template. In this way, we are creating a documentation inside the our Confluence. Now you have seen the things. Okay. Now what I want to show you. Okay, I have tell you how. Okay. Now, if you want to create the page in this line, not under sprint or untitled, click on here. Then you will create a page that is retrospective retrospective. Here will be R Now, the retrospective meeting, this is the template. Okay, this is the template. Click on the retrospective meeting. Now, the template is your team members, date, 4 years, loved, logged for. These are different types of technique. Okay, basically, owner, due date, action. In this way. Or you can click from here, and you can also delete this thing. Okay. Now what I want to do is, okay, this page is generally created, publish. Now how to add the team? Okay. Now how to add the team? Team search, search. Uh, Manage user, create team, add group, search. Okay, go here, write email. Anuj, write any email like Anuj K95 @gmail.com. So in this way, you will add the respective. Okay. Now, what are the permission, conference permission you are giving, and add that person. Okay. Now I am canceling. Now you can create the team from here. Create the team, add the respective member. K95 @gmail.com. This is the first time. So first you have to add. After you have added other time when you write that this Anuj only, then you can see the search option. Okay. And in this way, we create the team and add the team member. Now you can see here, manage the user. This is a free trial version, basically. Directory, manage the user, invite the user, add the team member. This status is active. Click here, show the detail guard, free trial version, show detail. Clicking on this, show detail. Okay. Now, what you will do basically, you can according to the roles, they have the different permissions basically. Okay, click here. If user can access the app with no app admin permission, user access admin, no app access, can administrate the user and group for this app. Okay, so in this way we are changing the role, and every role have different types of permissions. So in this way we are giving the permission to respective users. Now you can go here, view the details, edit the Jira from. Okay. These are different types of group. You can also come here with a group, or remove the user from this group. This is the basic. Now come going back to the uh, this is so user group. So these thing in previous classes I have basically told you earlier how to do the thing. Go to admin, then user group permission. This is basically we have seen already. Now going back. Now we have seen how to add the member, give the permissions, add the people, create the group. Okay. Now what? Now we are in the overview. And these are the content. Create the space. Invite the people from here. Also blogs. Then shortcut. Create a shortcut. Retrospective meeting. Okay. Then clicking here, we will get into the respective page which we have created. Okay. This page we have created, this page we have created, page. Okay. So by creating a shortcut, this page is basically, without going here, we can go here and go to the respective shortcuts. Now I want to, what I want to do, I want to show you something. Like this is a page, click here, templates and import documentation, project one, search RETRO. So from here also you can search the retrospective. These are template and these are the overview. 4L technique. In this technique, start doing, stop doing, keep doing. 4Ls. What you loved, logged, learned, and logged for. So in this way you can also do the things. Now Click here for close this one. Okay. This is share your work by a video. So you can integrate this. This is a new feature basically. Write assistance is find replace the duplicate value. You can copy the link, close the draft, publish, leave. So this is the basic way of doing it. So this in conference, this much only. This is the basic. The conference is basically used for documentation. So we have seen how to create the spaces, then how to create a page inside the spaces, how to use the template or how to delete the template, how to do the editing inside the page. Okay, and how to publish, how to add the team members, give the different permission to the respective team members. So this is the conference. Now go home and practice the conference. Okay. So thank you for now. Meet you in the next session. In next session we will talk about the JQL, that is a Jira Advanced Query Language. Okay, so Jira Query Language we will see. Okay, so Jira Query Language is little bit important for interview point of view also, because they will ask you Jira Query Language or JQL query from you in the interview. That we will see in the JQL. Thank you. See you in the next session.